In front of me is XIAOMI 17T, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use Gboard Clipboard. Begin by launching your Gboard and hitting Clipboard at the top of it. Then to activate it, use this switcher at the top right corner and go back thanks to this arrow at the top left one. Now you need to copy or cut any text. And to paste it instantly, click on it at the top of your keyboard. To paste it later on though, you need to select Clipboard again at the top of Gboard and click on your text here. Now, what's important is that all of your clips will disappear after an hour unless you pin them. To pin it, hold one and use pin icon. You can unpin it the same way. If you want to pin multiple ones, use this button of a pen at the top right corner, select every clip you wanna pin and use pin icon. You can also delete them by using bin one. When it comes to deleting your clips, you can also swipe one to the right or to the left. If you wish, you can hold one as well and choose delete here. To edit anything in Clipboard, you can hold it and choose edit button. Then type in whatever you want to make changes in your clip and hit save. Lastly, you can also hold it to paste it. Now, to disable Clipboard fully, use the same switcher as before. And that's all. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!